Welcome to FKG Credit Solution Education Platform. I was hired to give you the credit game. So listen up and take notes. I don't care where you are in the world, you can change your life with this information and get on the right track. Please grab a pen, and a few sheets of paper, and remember to take notes for your studies. Chex Systems is a consumer reporting agency, CRA, in the United States that specializes in providing financial institutions with information about the banking and financial histories of individuals. It primarily focuses on reporting negative information related to consumers' checking and savings accounts. Here's how Chex Systems typically works. Data collection. Chex Systems collects information from banks and credit unions about their customers' banking activities. This information includes details about checking and savings accounts, such as account closures, overdrafts, unpaid negative balances, and instances of suspected fraud. Reporting. When a bank or credit union closes a customer's account for any reason, they may report this to Chex Systems. This report can negatively impact the individual's banking history and make it difficult for them to open a new account at another financial institution. Access by financial institutions. Banks and credit unions can access Chex Systems database when evaluating whether to approve a new account application. If an applicant has a negative history in Chex Systems, it may result in the denial of their application. Dispute process. If consumers believe there is inaccurate information in their Chex Systems report, they have the right to dispute it and request corrections. Chex Systems is required to investigate these disputes under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA. Chex Systems is primarily used by financial institutions as a risk assessment tool to help them determine whether an individual is a suitable candidate for a checking or savings account. If a person has a negative record in Chex Systems, they may have difficulty opening a new bank account until the issues are resolved and their history improves. It's important for consumers to monitor their Chex Systems report, just as they would their credit report, to ensure the information is accurate and to take steps to address any discrepancies or negative entries if necessary. Maintaining a positive banking history is crucial for accessing various financial services and products. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe. Email us if you need one-on-one help.